Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to create a blog post using WordPress and YOOTheme Pro. So click on post, add a new post. This is the default WordPress screen to create blog posts, so we're going to use this for two things. First, add a title and add the featured image. This image will be shown in the list of blog posts that you will see in your website. Now let's save it as a draft and click on YOOTheme Builder. In the builder, we are going to use the library to use one of the layouts that we have previously saved. If we build the website for you, in my layouts, you will find a blog post template that we created for you, and that will be very quick and simple to add to the site, and then you can replace the text and the images on the template to add your blog post. However, if we didn't build the website for you, you can still go to the library, click on Pro Layouts, and select the template, post template, and choose one of those templates in there. And it will pre-populate the blog post with sample data, but at least it will give you a very nice format for you to work from. Then click Save Layout. It includes some images, so I'm downloading them. Now you can close YOOTheme Pro. And publish. There you go, you have a new blog post live on the website.